Hi, sixth graders. I hope that you are excited and ready for your first week of distance learning. This slideshow will give you instructions about what to do this week, and I would encourage you to make a copy of the slideshow so you have your own copy. The copy that I share with you, you won't be able to click on or do anything with. Well, you probably can get to the links actually, but you can't edit it in any way. So if you want to make your own copy, that's perfectly fine. All right, so let's go over just a few things for the week. I'm always going to give you a week's worth of work so you can work at your own pace. And if you want to do more than what's assigned on a day, you're more than welcome to do that. But remember that you don't need to spend more than 30 minutes a day on ELA. So don't worry about that. My office hours are going to be from 12:30 to 1:15 Monday through Thursday, and that means that during that time, I will always have an open Zoom call going. And that means that you can come and join in and out of that Zoom call whenever you want if you know you have questions. Down here, you'll see this is information about our Zoom meeting. So this is the link that you'll go to, and then this is the ID to enter if it asks you for that. You might not need to do that, but so just give it a try for the first time. A lot of you maybe have already done a Zoom call, but go ahead and click on that link and give it a try. So anytime from 12:30 to 1:15, Monday through Thursday, you can jump into that call and ask me any questions you might have. I'd like you to try to have your work completed by Friday afternoon unless it's an assignment that we're carrying over to the next week. All right, for Monday, every day you're always going to have optional tasks. You don't have to do them, but you're more than welcome to. So we have a virtual whiteboard that you can go to write on. We also have Flipgrid where you can leave good things for your classmates, and then you can also comment on what are some of their good things. So there's links right here to both of those things. When you go to Padlet, if you've never done Padlet before, I'll have a new question for this week. This was the question for last week. So my question will be in color, and then you can actually come down here and click the plus sign and add your response. So that's our virtual whiteboard. All right, for Monday, you have 4 different things I want you to get through. Anytime you're starting on a day, the first thing you want to do is read the instructions. Don't skip instructions. Okay, it's really important that you go look at all your instructions. We're going to be working towards finishing up memoirs. So remember on Summit, that was your memoir of a student, and some of you had not yet started down here on your final memoir. A lot of you had done brainstorming and you've done your outline, but you haven't started yet on your final memoir. So that's kind of your goal for this week, is to have that done. If you think you're finished, then I've got instructions for that too. Number 4 is kind of important for me. I'm working on my master's degree in teaching right now, and so you guys are going to be helping me a little bit with that. And so I want you to go today, and I've got just a quick Google form for you to fill out about brain breaks. All right, so each day is kind of similar to that. You're always going to have optional assignments, and then you're going to have what I would like for you to get accomplished. Number 4 is always going to be a short brain break, and I encourage you to do that before you start into another subject. Just take a quick break. And then at the end, before school's over, I'll kind of be asking you what you've thought about those brain breaks. Okay, so every day, really pay attention to the instructions. I try to do a nice job of giving you details about what I want you to get done. And Friday, you technically don't have school. It's a Good Friday holiday. So take the day off. If you want to use it to catch up, that's up to you and your family, whatever works for you guys. So again, I hope you have a great first week. I'm available just like I would normally be at school. I'm only an email away. We can do a private Zoom call. You just let me know what you need to make everything work, and just be patient with yourself. This week is going to be a week where you're going to learn how to manage your schedule, and that's okay. We're all here to help and support each other. So good luck with your new way of learning.